Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Reading Made Easy. I hope you all are good today. We have an amazing story today, The Brave Little Ant. Once in a lush green meadow, there lived a small ant named Arjun. Arjun was smaller than his friends and they often teased him for his size, saying he couldn't do big things. One day, while the ants were busy gathering food, a large crumb of bread fell far away from the ant trail. The crumb was too heavy for a single ant to carry, and the bigger ants were hesitant to go alone. Arjun saw the crumb and decided to try. With determination, he made his way to the crumb and started pushing it back towards the trail. It was tough and he struggled, but he didn't give up. The other ants noticed Arjun's efforts. Inspired by his determination, they joined him and together they brought the crumb back to their ant hill. The ants realized that Arjun's bravery and persistence made a big difference. They no longer teased him and learned that courage and determination are more important than size. The moral that we learned from the story is bravery and determination can make even the smallest of us capable of great things. Never judge someone's ability by their size. Thank you so much for being there and watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe. And please come back to watch my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.